we are here at PPHF National Dissemination Workshop. Today we have Director Programs, Dr. Sona Deshmukh ma'am. So thank you ma'am for having us here and sharing your valuable time with us. So can you tell us more about this workshop?
So PPHF has been working in field of NCDs from last 10 years, and we are supporting non-communicable disease program and now the recent NCD 7525 initiative. Prana is one of the initiative of PPHF, which is now supported by Boston Scientific. So through this initiative, what we are doing on healthcare workers upskilling. Main goal of this program is to cater the unmet needs of the non-communicable disease of the people in the community. Currently, we are working under this program in PSC Man and UPSC Mullaheda, Gurgaon. And apart from that, we have reached through this project 14,000 individuals, and we have screened more than 8,000 people for diabetes, hypertension and common cancer. We have trained 107 healthcare workers through this initiative, and we are hoping to continue these efforts along with having a specific women wellness program. So women wellness program has helped us to break the barriers for cervical cancer and breast cancer screening, and we are also addressing women's health in a holistic manner. And we are really hopeful through the micro NCD camps, through women wellness initiative and community oriented publicity drive, or we can say awareness drive, where we are also including now school children. So we are hopeful with this multi-pronged approach where we are having community awareness, healthcare workers who are trained, and also the healthcare centers who are upgraded to cater the need of the patients. Prana-like initiatives will help the government and India to tackle the NCD burden and reduce the morbidity and mortality.
That's an excellent initiative, ma'am. So, as we know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat. So, what are your thoughts on that?
Most crucial point is you cannot have a vision of Viksit Bharat if you don't have a healthy population. NCDs account for 60% death. So, imagine a disease or multiple diseases which are not only affecting people, but they are causing premature death. So the youth whom we are targeting and based on whom we are envisioning to have a Viksit Bharat is now getting into the trap of non-communicable disease. So again, addressing NCDs, prevention of NCDs, bringing awareness among the youth, as I said, through the school children, and lot of health initiative is required to address these slow emergencies.
Thank you, ma'am. We completely agree.
Thank you so much.